If you're a solopreneur in 2026, still running your business through a personal checking account, please sit down. We need to talk. Because I'll separate it later is not a financial strategy, and neither is paying random fees, juggling spreadsheets at tax time, or praying your bank doesn't freeze your account the week a big client pays you. I'm Nikita with Collective. We work with thousands of one-person businesses, and we see behind the curtain which banks actually support modern solopreneurs and which ones are stuck in 1996. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 business bank accounts for solopreneurs in 2026, ranked by fees and the fine print they don't advertise, integrations with accounting and payroll, ease of setup, services offered, and overall value for a one-person business. And stick around, because I'm giving you our bonus pick, and it's probably not one you're expecting, especially if you're a freelancer, creator, consultant, or online business owner. All right? Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, we have Chase Business Complete. This is best for branch access. Now, I'm an introvert, and I absolutely love the convenience and peace of online transactions. But sometimes you just need a real person and a physical branch. That's where Chase Business Complete Banking comes in. If you deal with cash, prefer face-to-face support, or just like the security of walking into a branch when something feels off, this is the traditional option that still works for a lot of solopreneurs. You get access to one of the largest banking networks in the US, plus built-in payment processing options. It's not the flashiest or most tech-forward option on this list, but for in-person support and stability, it delivers. It's also worth noting that being in the Chase system could make it much easier to get approved for their top-tier business credit cards, which offer some of the best travel rewards in 2026. And pro tip, they have occasional new account bonuses that could score you some bonus cash or reduced fees. Now, speaking of fees, there is a catch with Chase. They charge a monthly service fee, though you can waive it by maintaining the minimum daily balance. Number 4, Mercury. I'd rank this top for tech-savvy solopreneurs. If you're tech-focused or aiming for high growth, there's Mercury. They have arguably the best user interface in the banking world. It feels like a software tool, not a bank. My favorite part though, 0 fees. No monthly fees, no transaction fees, and y'all, this is huge, free US dollar domestic and international wires. Most traditional banks will charge you $30 or more just to send one wire. And if you have over $250K in cash, their treasury product puts your money into US government-backed securities to earn even higher yields. Number 3 is Relay, which ranks best for growth-minded solopreneurs. If you follow the growth mindset methodology, you need Relay. Relay takes the idea of banking buckets to the next level. They allow you to open up to 20 individual checking accounts to allow business owners to categorize their profits, money for taxes, and salary. And I really love that Relay is built to scale. You can issue up to 50 debit cards. So if you're planning to bring on a contractor or assistant at some point, you can give them a card with a strict spending limit in seconds. Just keep in mind, some of the features and the higher APY come with a monthly membership fee. Number 2 is Novo, and they're ideal for tool integrations. If your business runs on Stripe, Shopify, or freelancer marketplaces like Fiverr, Novo could be your best friend. They have some of the deepest direct integrations in the game, y'all, and work with partners to negotiate stellar savings for you on industry-leading financial tools. They also have a reserves feature that lets you tuck money away for taxes or payroll, ensuring you never accidentally spend your IRS money. Novo touts having no monthly or overdraft fees, as well as no minimum balance requirement. And the bonus? They offer a funding option to help you get extra cash when you need it. And coming in at number 1 is Bluevine, which is best for earning interest. If you want your idle cash to actually work for you, this is the winner. Their standard account currently offers up a strong APY on balances up to $250K, and if you upgrade to their premier tier, that APY nearly doubles. You already know I love no fees. Bluevine offers 0 monthly fees and 0 overdraft fees on the standard plan. They also allow you to create up to 20 sub-accounts. Just keep in mind that some of the perks of Bluevine come with a monthly membership fee, so you'll need to weigh if that monthly expense is worth the benefits that you'd be receiving. By the way, if you're still with me, thank you. Go ahead and give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to hang with me again for weekly content. Okay, I promised you a bonus choice, didn't I? Bonus number 6 is Ramp for finance automation and high yield treasury. If you've outgrown basic banking and want your finances to run on autopilot, you need to look at Ramp. Ramp Treasury is their standout feature for 2026. Instead of letting your cash sit in a standard savings account, Ramp Treasury automatically invests your excess capital into high yield diversified money market funds. While rates fluctuate, Ramp Treasury aims to capture market-leading yields that often outperform traditional high-yield business savings accounts. Beyond the interest, Ramp is known for its corporate cards. You can set strict spending limits, and their AI automatically fetches receipts and categorizes expenses. So, let's recap. Chase could be a good fit if you deal with cash and you want a traditional bank relationship. Consider Mercury if you send a lot of international wires and want a sleek app. Relay could be a solid choice if you want the ultimate growth mindset setup with 20 accounts. I'd keep Novo in mind if you want seamless integration with your Stripe and Shopify stores. Bluevine could be the fit if you want to earn the most interest on your savings. And Ramp may be a solid option if you want finance automation and high-yield treasury. Honestly though, I'd consider having 2 accounts. Keep one digital-first financial institution like Relay as your primary, and a local brick and mortar like Chase as your backup for cash and emergencies. But remember, always check the fine print before deciding where to park your cash. Choose the one that makes sense for your business now and where you're trying to scale it to. Once you've chosen your financial institution, pop on over to collective.com for our guide on setting it up. I'll drop a link in the description. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to put your business on autopilot. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.